American houseplans are popular for their comfort, flexibility, and wide range of styles that fit many lifestyles and locations. These designs are especially known for their open living areas, where the living room, kitchen, and dining space flow together in one large, connected space, perfect for modern family life. Common styles include farmhouse, ranch, colonial, craftsman, modern, and Cape Cod. Each has its own charm and layout, whether it's the cozy simplicity of a ranch or the classic details of a colonial. With options for extra rooms, outdoor spaces, and smart furniture layouts, American houseplans offer both beauty and function in everyday living. And this time you will see some examples of American houseplans in various styles. Enjoy watching!
The Home Ideas channel gives you tips and tricks for decorating your home, both interior and exterior. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give your comments and likes.
An American ranch-style open living area features a spacious, single-level layout that connects the living room, dining area, and often the kitchen in one wide, flowing space. The interior usually includes a large sectional or sofa, a low coffee table, and comfortable chairs arranged to encourage conversation. The furniture is practical and relaxed, often placed around a fireplace or TV. The dining area typically has a rectangular or round table with simple chairs, located near large windows or sliding doors that lead to the backyard. Ranch-style interiors favor clean lines, natural materials, and a cozy, functional feel with minimal clutter and a touch of mid-century or Western charm. An American colonial-style open living area blends traditional elegance with a symmetrical and balanced layout. The space typically includes a formal seating arrangement with a classic sofa, a pair of matching armchairs, and a central wooden coffee table, often placed around a fireplace with a mantel. The furniture is usually made of dark wood with refined details, paired with a patterned area rug and antique-style lighting. Built-in shelves or cabinets may frame the fireplace or walls. Nearby, the dining area features a formal table with high-back chairs, often queen and or ladder-back style, and may include a sideboard or china cabinet. The overall design is polished, orderly, and timeless, reflecting the historic charm of colonial homes. An American Craftsman-style open living area is designed to feel warm, handcrafted, and welcoming. The layout usually features a cozy living room with a wood-framed sofa, comfortable armchairs, a solid wood coffee table, and built-in shelves or cabinets around a central fireplace made of brick or stone. Natural materials like wood and stone are used throughout, and the space often includes exposed ceiling beams and earthy color tones. The dining area, connected to the living room, typically has a sturdy wooden table with mission-style chairs, often lit by a simple chandelier or stained glass pendant. Craftsman interiors focus on quality craftsmanship, built-in functionality, and a balanced, homey atmosphere. An American modern or contemporary style open living area features a clean, spacious layout that connects the living room, dining area, and kitchen into one seamless space. The interior design focuses on simplicity, function, and open sightlines, often using neutral colors and natural light. Furniture usually includes a low-profile sectional or sleek sofa, a minimalist coffee table, and modern accent chairs. The dining area often features a simple rectangular or round table with stylish chairs, sometimes made of wood, metal, or upholstered materials. Decor is minimal, with bold artwork, statement lighting, and a few carefully chosen accessories to keep the space uncluttered and elegant. An American farmhouse-style open living area is designed to feel cozy, welcoming, and practical, with a large, open space that combines the living room and dining area. The layout often features a comfy sofa or sectional, wooden coffee table, soft area rug, and a pair of armchairs arranged around a central fireplace or TV. The furniture is usually rustic or vintage-inspired, with natural wood and neutral fabrics. The dining area includes a sturdy farmhouse table with a mix of chairs and bench seating, often placed under a simple chandelier. Decor typically includes shiplap walls, woven baskets, open shelving, and soft touches like throw blankets and pillows to create a relaxed, homey atmosphere. An American Cape Cod-style open living area is designed to be cozy, bright, and symmetrical, often combining the living and dining spaces in one shared, inviting room. The layout typically includes a comfortable sofa, a pair of matching armchairs, a wooden coffee table, and a fireplace with a simple white mantel. Furniture is usually traditional and compact, with soft fabrics in light, coastal colors like white, blue, or beige. The dining area often features a round or rectangular wooden table with classic chairs and a modest chandelier or pendant light above. Decor includes nautical or cottage-style touches, like woven rugs, built-in shelves, and coastal artwork, to create a timeless, airy, and charming atmosphere.